Hi, this is Tony Sagami again. I got a couple dots I want you to connect today. First of all, the Chinese Sovereign Investment Fund, China Investment Corporation, reported their 2008 results today. Not that it really matters to any of us, but it gives you an idea of what the Chinese government is investing in and how successful and how accurate they are in predicting what they need for their economy. But nonetheless, they reported for the year of 2008, their investment fund of about approximately $300 billion lost 2.1%. Not much. Take a look at your own portfolio. How did you do in 2008? For most people, it was a very difficult year. So just a measly 2% loss is a pretty significant victory. And that kind of shows what I've been saying for all along, is that the Chinese central government, their central planners, have a very clear vision of what they're trying to accomplish. And that is in investing in the commodities and supplies and companies that they need to supply their future growth. So they know what they're doing. Also, the news came out yesterday that the car sales in China increased by 70% in the month of July. That's some rip-roaring numbers, 7% growth. I know the cash for clunkers has given the U.S. automakers a temporary jump, but 70% jump is just an amazing increase in China. And give you some perspective on how much longer that has to last. In China, there's about 10 cars per 1,000 people. In the United States, it's about 760 cars per 1,000 people. So you can see there's just so much growth ahead for the automobile industry. Now, there's not a lot of direct, easy plays into China, and probably the best one is probably either Toyota. It's traded on the New York Stock Exchange, TM. Toyota does a tremendous amount of volume in China, in fact, all over the world. No matter where I travel in Asia, one thing that always seems real common when it comes to vehicles, and it's Toyota. Some places have Volkswagen, some have Hondas, but everywhere I go, I see Toyotas. And also, there's a couple of stocks that I've talked about in the past. I'm going to give you a little update that are really moving today. Take a look at Duan Water, symbol DGW. Remember, that's that water filtration and pollution control company in China. Just phenomenal growth. It's up almost 100% since its IPO. My Asia Stock Alert subscribers are up over 50% since we bought it. But I still think it has a long, long ways to go. Also, take a look at China Nepstar, the largest retail drugstore chain in China, kind of the Walgreens and Rite Aid of China combined. That stock was up over double digits on Friday. So there, too, is some tremendous growth, and it kind of shows you how hot these Chinese stocks are and how important it is for you to make sure you have some Asian spice in your portfolio. This is Tony Sagami, signing off till next week.